You know, I'm not a big fan of winter or the snow, but I mean, you gotta admit, it kind of looks nice when your car is this covered in snow. So I'm actually really excited for today because today we are going to be one step closer to doing the 5x114 conversion kit on the car. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, your boss just wanted me to give him a call when I was on my way down.
Oh yeah, are you going to be on your way right now?
Yeah. It's like an hour and a half drive, so I'll be there soon. Alright, cool man. Thanks. Bye. It's going to be good. So today we are at Northwest JDM Motor. You guys remember this place. This is where we picked up the two grills for my car and for Diego's car. This is like JDM Central. It's the closest place to us that we could find. And it's time to go pick up this very exciting part for my car. So these guys are just finishing up, taking everything apart. What I'm here for essentially is for the 5x114 conversion kit. So they're pulling off the knuckles, axles, and hubs off a 2005 STI, and then I'm gonna be swapping that pretty soon. So we got the rears loaded up in the car. The only thing is this axle boot is torn. We'll get that fixed. Probably should have cleaned my trunk before this, but it'll do. The R32 is probably the only thing that I would ever trade in my STI for. This thing is so nice. So that's done deal, guys. Finally got the first part for the 5x114 conversion. Goodbye, dream car. Till next time. So I got everything back home. We got the fronts right here, front axles over there, and then everything underneath is all the rear stuff that we need. To be honest with you guys, I thought this was probably going to be the hardest thing to find, and luckily, thanks to JDM in Sacramento, these guys hooked it up once again. You know, usually they don't take everything apart like this, but they did for me, so I got to give a huge shout out to them. Make sure to go check them out. They did take the Brembos off of these, so if you guys are looking for just Brembos, hit them up. I think they're going to be selling them for cheap. So now I'm really excited because we are one step closer to doing that conversion. I think what's next is I'm gonna purchase wheels in 5x114, and then from there we're gonna be doing the install. After that, I think we're gonna go ahead and head over to Oregon. I will update you guys more on that. I know a lot of you guys wanna know where we're headed, but we will get into that when the time comes. Once again, I hope you guys are excited for this. I know I'm just absolutely stoked. Make sure to check out Northwest JDM Motors. I'll put the link down below in the description. Those guys are always hooking it up, and great customer service. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. We will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
That's it, Brian?